Welcome, first graders. So today we are continuing with our Unit 7, Week 1. Now we're in Day 3 of Foundations. Learning materials that you'll need for today include your student notebook, page 12 and page 69. Also a pencil ready, along with your whiteboard and marker. I want to also remind you that throughout the rest of these, you can pause the video if needed, okay? And then you can go back and rewind if needed. So, learning plan for today. We're going to begin with some drill sounds and warm-ups, go into our teach trick words reading, and then into our teach trick words spelling, ending with our dictation dry erase. Drill sounds and warm-ups. Here we go. A-N-G, fang, ang. Your turn. I-N-G, ring, ing. Your turn. O-N-G, song, ong. Your turn. U-N-G, lung, ung. Your turn. Good job with the letter names, the letter, keyword, and sound. Very good. These are our glued sounds. Now, moving on to our letter names and letter sounds only. Eyes are tracking. Here we go. W-H, w. C-H, ch. S-H, sh. T-H, th. C-K, k. A-N-G, ang. I-N-G, ing. O-N-G, ong. U-N-G, ung. Very good at those letter names and letter sounds only. Now let's practice our vowel using the vowel extension chart. So here we have A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, if. O, octopus, off. U, up, Good job at those letter vowels using the vowel extension chart here. So that sums up our drill sounds and warm-ups for today.